The most common pet dental health problems. When your pet has dental problems, it can have a detrimental impact on their entire health and well-being. In today's episode, the veterinarians at Brookhaven Animal Hospital discuss how to identify oral health issues in your pet, the most prevalent types of dental disorders, and how these difficulties can be avoided or treated. And the oral health of your pet. When it comes to your pet's overall health and well-being, the oral health of your pet is intimately connected. When your pet's oral structures become damaged or diseased, it can stop functioning properly, and a pet might experience pain that interferes with its ability to eat and communicate regularly. Because your pet utilizes its mouth, teeth, and gums to eat and communicate, it is important to take care of its dental health. Furthermore, the bacteria and infections that are responsible for a wide range of oral health problems in pets will not only be contained in the mouth of your canine companion. If these bacteria and illnesses are not treated, they have the potential to quickly spread throughout your pet's body, causing damage to organs such as the liver, kidneys, and heart. The health and longevity of your pet may suffer as a result of this, which may have more severe and detrimental effects. Frequent dental cleanings can prevent health problems from occurring, or they can ensure that growing problems are detected and treated at an early stage. This is one of the reasons why frequent pet dental care and veterinary dentistry are essential components of your pet's routine preventive health care. Where to look for dental problems in your pet. If you observe any of these behaviors or diseases in your pet, there is a possibility that they are suffering from dental illness. Please note that the particular symptoms of dental disease will vary depending on the situation. Here are some of the most prevalent signs that a pet may be suffering from dental disease. A condition known as halitosis, tartar that is visible, eating that is difficult or slow to occur, the act of pawing at their mouth or teeth that are missing or loose, drooling is excessive, mouth gums that are bleeding, swollen, or visibly red, loss of weight. You should take your pet to the veterinarian in Brookhaven as soon as possible for an examination if you see any of the indicators of dental disease that have been described above in your pet. The sooner the dental disease that affects your pet is identified and treated, the better it will be for your cat's overall health in the long run. Dental issues that are common in pets. Even though your pet's teeth, gums, and other oral tissues can be affected by a wide variety of health problems, there are a few disorders that are particularly common that you should keep an eye out for. Accumulation of plaque and tartar. White in color, plaque is a material that is mostly composed of microorganisms. When this biofilm is allowed to remain in the mouth for an extended period, it begins to grow on the teeth and emits an unpleasant odor. The accumulation of plaque can lead to tooth decay as well as inflammation of the gums. If you do not brush your teeth and remove plaque within the first 24 to 48 hours, the plaque will eventually harden and create tartar, which is a substance that is yellow or brown and is referred to as calculus by your veterinarian. It is impossible to remove tartar from the surfaces of the teeth without first scraping it off with a dental scaler or another hard item. Tartar remains adhered to the teeth. Tartar is responsible for the worsening of tooth decay and discomfort to the gums. The presence of plaque and tartar puts your pet at an increased risk of developing gum disease and tooth loss. The presence of discolored deposits on teeth, a red and swollen gum line, also known as gingivitis, and poor breath are all common symptoms of periodontal disease. The progression of dental illness may cause owners to see an increase in the frequency of bleeding gums and a worsening of breath. Disease of the periodontium. Plaque and tartar that are left in the mouth allow germs to enter beneath the gum line, which causes the tissue and bone that are responsible for holding your pet's teeth in place to deteriorate. The gingivitis stage is the beginning of periodontal disease. In more severe stages of the disease, the soft tissue and bone that surround the teeth begin to deteriorate. Deterioration of the tooth support structures and the formation of pockets surrounding the tooth roots have occurred. As a result, bacteria, debris, and food are able to gather in this area, which can lead to the development of serious diseases. Eventually, the teeth become loose and begin to slip out of the mouth. Diseases of the mouth. When periodontal disease develops, bacteria have the potential to enter the open space around tooth roots, which can result in infection. This infection may take the form of an abscess that forms in the tooth root. To combat the infection, pus will eventually form in the pocket that is contaminated with germs around the tooth. When the abscess is not treated, it has the potential to grow to such a great size that it causes swelling in the face as well as anatomical deformities. Even though periodontal disease is frequently the root cause of oral infections frequently occur as a consequence of trauma in the mouth. Injuries that occur as a result of chewing on hard or sharp items can be the cause of trauma. Broken teeth for teeth. It is possible for dogs that are strong chewers to break their teeth when they chew on exceptionally hard materials such as bones, antlers, or plastic. The vast majority of veterinarians will advise you not to give your pet anything more difficult to chew on than anything that you would like to pound hard on your knee. The size of chews can also play a role in the occurrence of tooth fractures. That is because a chew that is too big for a pet's mouth might cause the tooth and the chew to line up, which can result in a slab fracture, which is a type of tooth fracture that breaks the exterior of a tooth. Your veterinarian may suggest picking chews which are small enough to be held in the mouth without the puppy accidentally swallowing them. Nevertheless, these are not so big that your pet will need to have their mouth completely open to chew on them without risking their health. Disease of the gums is a frequent dental problem in both cats and dogs, and it can be caused by poor oral hygiene or underlying health concerns. Gum disease, which is also known as periodontal disease, is another name for gum disease. In addition to the gums, ligaments, and bones, it affects the structures that are responsible for supporting the teeth. It is possible that in its early stages, it will cause the gums to become red, swollen, and bleeding on occasion. Your pet may endure pain, foul smell, and even tooth loss if the condition worsens. Foul breath. In both cats and dogs, halitosis, sometimes known as bad breath, may be an indication of poor dental health. The accumulation of bacteria on the teeth and gums is typically the root cause of the problem. It is a good idea to take your pet to the veterinarian for an oral health evaluation if they seem to have a particularly unpleasant odor coming from their breath. Concerns regarding the dental health of dogs. Regularly brushing and cleaning your cat's mouth is the most effective method for preventing dental problems with your pet's teeth. This is because it helps prevent the development of dental problems. If you brush away plaque before it may cause damage or infection, you will give your pet a far higher chance of having healthier teeth and gums. This is because plaque can cause damage or illness. It is recommended that you arrange a professional dental inspection and cleaning for your pet once a year. This will ensure that your pet's teeth remain in excellent condition and that their breath remains fresh. The process of scheduling a dental appointment at Brookhaven Animal Hospital is comparable to that of taking your pet to the veterinary pet dentist for an appointment. If you want to avoid problems with your pet's oral health in the first place, you should begin cleaning their teeth and gums when they are still young and willing to quickly adjust to the process. This will help you avoid any potential problems in the future. Additionally, you might think about incorporating dental chews into your pet's routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps keep the content coming.